Hey there, young entrepreneur. If you clicked here, coding a custom website feels way too hard and way too expensive. But using a standard drag and drop interface website builders is not serious enough for your business. And right now you're like stuck in between and have no idea what you have to do next. So let me guess, you want a professional looking website that actually converts leads into clients, but you don't want to spend 10 grand and wait up to 3 months for the agency to build it. Well, fortunately or unfortunately, you can decide. We live in the AI era and the possibilities are huge. And just in a moment, I'm going to present you the exact solution where using just 2 simple tools, you will be able to create your own professional looking website. In this video, part 1 of our series, I will show you how to take our beautiful design from Figma, feed it into our AI editor and actually get the working code. But the website needs to actually capture leads and contact clients. So in second part of the series, I will show you how to integrate this code with Zoho Website Builder to get a perfectly working website. But to do this, you need to like this video and subscribe to this channel and comment Zoho. And as soon as we will get 20 comments, I will drop the second part. Disclaimer, if you don't want to worry about it at all, you can just contact us and we will create a website for you. The setup. To make the magic happen, you need 2 things. First, you have to install Node.js. Don't worry about the technical details. This is just the engine that lets our computer process the files. Just download it, click next and install. Obviously, all the links will be in the description. Second, we need to install Cursor AI. Cursor looks like a normal code editor, but it has a genius AI built directly into it. Download it, sign in with your Google account and open a new project folder. Step 2. Giving AI the eyes. We need Cursor to actually be able to read our Figma design, and we do this using something called Figma MCP. It is basically a secure bridge between your design and your code. Firstly, you go to GitHub. Use the link in the comments. Scroll down and pick the code for your specific operating system like Mac or Windows. Then you need to add this code to the Cursor AI. In Cursor you go to Settings, MCP, add new global MCP server and paste. Here you need to put the API token that you can get from Figma. In Figma, you go to Settings, click on Security and generate a new personal access token. Give this token a name and access type, dev resources, file content and file metadata. Copy that long code. Now jump back into Cursor and paste your Figma API key. Press Ctrl S to save and boom, the bridge is connected. Now, Cursor can fully integrate and see your Figma account. Step 3, that's actually where all the magic will happen. So now you have to go to your beautiful Figma design. But if you don't have yours, just go to the Figma community and copy a template there. Here you need to right click and copy the link. Now go into Cursor. At the top of the AI chat, make sure you select Agent and the best models that you have. If you have Cloud 3.7, that's the best so far. Now I just paste the Figma link into the chat and give it the exact prompt. Recreate this Figma design, including the layout, colors and images, blah blah blah. I will include the prompt in the description, so don't worry. Then I hit enter and the AI goes to work. It uses that bridge that we built to extract the exact colors, sizes and layout from Figma. It literally writes the entire structure and styling right before our eyes. You just keep clicking accept as it builds your file. In less than 2 minutes, you will have a fully functioning index.html file. And if you need to fix anything, just type it in the chat and the Cursor will fix it immediately. Alright, we've done it. Let's open a preview. Oh my god, look at this. It's not a static image anymore. It's a real breathing website. The buttons work, and if I shrink down to the mobile version, yeah, works perfectly. It stacks and adapts to mobile. Think about what just happened here. We've bypassed the limitations of basic drag and drop interface and we've created a pure, clean, professional website that's exactly 100% yours. But as a business owner, you know that having raw code sitting on your computer just simply is not enough. You need to be able to edit text and buttons without needing to call the developer. You need your forms to be able to capture clients and send them straight to the CRM. You need the ecosystem. That's exactly why we need Zoho. In part 2 of this mini-series, I will show you exactly how to bypass all the restrictive Zoho Sites templates and fully integrate your code there, so you will have a perfectly working website. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, once we get 20 comments, I will drop the final part.